Welcome to Friday Takeaway. On the menu today, we keep things in the family with DRB-Hicom and Malakoff, but first we look at how China's share markets dived again after US President Donald Trump said he wants to double proposed tariffs on some $200 billion in annual Chinese imports. Yet another sign that Trump's trade war with China is only just beginning and will only get worse. Apple delivered another set of blockbuster results, beating expectations with fiscal Q3 EPS of $2.34 on revenue of $53.3 billion. It also guided for another forecast-beating quarter in September, and then yesterday it made history by becoming the first company ever in Wall Street to be worth $1 trillion. Khazanah National has a new board and chairman in the shape of Prime Minister Tun Dr. Mahathir, following mass resignations of the old guard. And news is that Khazanah will subsequently cut its stakes in CIMB, Axiata, restructure Telecom Malaysia while also reviewing its holdings in IHH Healthcare. In this week's This or That, I look at two sides of a deal with the common owner, country Syed Mokhtar Al-Bukhary. On one side, conglomerate DRB-Hicom, which is selling Al-Flora. On the other, independent power producer, IPP, Malakoff, which is buying Al-Flora. One is seen as good, the other is seen as bad, but which one? Let's dig deeper. Controlled by Tan Sri Syed Mokhtar Al-Bukhary, DRB are a primarily vehicle business, developing and selling Proton cars and motorcycles, though it also has property assets like Glenmarie Golf Club and Post Malaysia within its fold. DRB has proposed to sell its entire 97.4% shareholding in waste disposal management company Al-Flora Sdn Bhd to Malakoff for 945 million ringgit cash. Half the money will help cut debt and the rest for existing and fresh investments. Today, the shares are up 0.4% to $2.33 and its one-year return is 40%. Well, this is not a done deal yet because the proposal needs to go to shareholders still, and since Syed Mokhtar is a common shareholder, he is not allowed to vote on the transaction. Plus, a lot of the optimism over DRB is more to do with Proton and its collaboration with Geely. So if the Boyu SUV tanks in the sales charts, well, the good vibes will subside. That said, Hong Leong Investment Bank is still a big DRB supporter and they are maintaining their buy call and raising the target price on DRB from $2.50 to $2.62. Malakoff, also controlled by Tan Sri Syed Mokhtar Al-Bukhary, are an independent power producer. In fact, they are the largest IPP in Malaysia, with a total effective generation capacity of 6,346 megawatts, mainly from their coal-fired power plants. So if it looks like an IPP, walks like an IPP, why is it going into waste management? Critics rightly point out that Malakoff has got zero experience in Al-Flora's waste collection and management business, and has got no synergies at all with its core business of power generation. And now Malakoff is defending its purchase of Al-Flora on the basis that the future of coal-fired power production is bleak, and the future really lies in clean energy. Today, Malakoff is unchanged at 95.5 cents, and their shares are flat on a one-year basis. Well, it's not all bad, you see. Al-Flora had operating profit of 94 million ringgit in FY 2018, 373 million ringgit in cash, stable concession earnings till 2033, and a major upside if it can win new jobs concessions on the East Coast. TA Research maintains a sell on Malakoff with a target price of just 85 cents, which it says is mainly due to earnings risk from its Tanjung Main energy plants. And data from Bloomberg shows that analysts are still split pretty evenly between buy, hold and sell on the stock.